Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all will be in good health. Due to current situation, we will arrange online classes. I am your science teacher of class 2. Open your books, page number 1. Today we start our new chapter, Unit 1, Human Body. In this chapter, we will study about different organs present in our human body. Turn the pages. Start from first line. Our body has many parts. Each part of the body has a different role. Some parts we can see like eyes, nose, hand, skin, etc. Some parts of the body we cannot see like brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Now our body has different parts. These parts have different role. Now these parts we can see some of the parts, that is eyes. Underline word eyes, nose, hands and skin. Some parts of the body we cannot see like brain, heart, lungs and stomach. First of all, we will study about skin, which is the outermost layer of the body. Skin is the largest organ of the body. Which organ is the largest in human body? That is called skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. In addition to covering our bodies, it gives us a sense of touch. Now this skin gives us a sense of touch. Through skin we can feel that the thing is hot, cold. What is the how we can explain that thing? It also protects us from germs. With the help of skin, we can feel if something is soft or rough, or hot or cold. Through skin, we can know, we can feel that which thing is soft, which thing is rough, which thing is hot, which thing is cold. Look at this diagram. This kitten, it feels soft. When we touch kitten, it feels soft. Look at this fire. Fire feels hot. Cactus feel rough. The structure of cactus plant is rough. Ice feel cold. When we touch ice, it feel cold. I wonder, look at your fingerprints. Do you know no one else has fingerprints like yours? Look at your fingers. In your finger, the print is different from one another. Different people have different types of fingerprints. Now next page, page number 3. Remember and understand. Which is the largest organ of the body? As we study in page number 2, that skin is the largest organ of our body. You can write here skin. S-K-I-N. Skin is the largest organ of our body. What can we do with the skin on our hand? What is the function of skin? What can we do with our hands? We can feel it. We can feel it. Which is the largest organ of our body? Skin is the largest organ of our body. What can we do with the skin on our hand? We can feel it. When we touch our skin, we can feel that. We can feel it with the help of hands. This skin is the largest organ, and with the hands we can touch it and feel it. Next topic is brain. The brain is found inside our head. Where it is found? Inside our head. All the things we do are controlled by the brain. When we do different activities, these all activities are controlled by the brain. For example, we use our brain while walking, speaking, eating, even sleeping. These all are different activities through which the brain control it. The brain helps in storing facts and figures and identifying different smell, taste, sound and texture. Brain also identify smell, underline word smell, taste, sound and texture. The brain is always busy. It gets message from all our senses and decides what to do about them. It helps us to react according to the situation. For example, if we see something hot, our brain sends us a signal to be careful. This brain controls all our activities. If we see something hot or cold, so brain sends direct signals that be careful. The thing is too much hot, so you must be careful. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.